Hey guys, another week and another unboxing and review. So this time it is a project that I backed on Kickstarter a couple months or weeks back, and it's called the SliceCharge by the company Hardcider Labs. And what it is it's a 3-in-1 wireless charger. As you can see from the front of this box, they are fairly pro Apple because it shows that you can charge your whole range of wireless Apple devices like your phone, watch and AirPods with their special cover. They promote this as a pro Apple product, but it actually uses the Qi wireless standard, so any of those phones like your Samsungs will work as well. But the Qi wireless standard charging pads are only on the left and right side. On the middle, it's only for your Apple Watch. Right, so that's the main unit. But my pledge level also includes this leather wireless charging compatible case, and also the, which one is it? The adapter, because this thing does support fast charging. Let's quickly unbox the two side packages. Right, so you've got your adapter here for fast charging, and this will be the leather case for the AirPods. It's a bit stuck. Feels nice. There's a magnetic enclosure. There's an LED indicator status for the charging. A small tab at the side, and there's your lightning port all the way at the bottom. I think you can see the electronics under the leather. So you put this on your AirPods and you know it's gonna support wireless charging. Right, so let's unbox the wireless charger. User manual, I don't think we'll be needing that. There's a 1-year warranty. Alright, so this is the SliceCharge. I got it in a white finish, but there's also blue and red. It's a bit dirty around the packaging. I don't know if you can tell this. Alright, so there's nothing else inside here. This is the SliceCharge, and yeah, it's really thin. Look at that. This is my iPhone. It's thinner than the iPhone, I think. It looks really nice. The fabric finish gives a nice, normal, non-techy touch to the product. There's some rubber under the base, so it doesn't move around. This cable is built in, so if it breaks, I'm not sure what's gonna happen. You have the same tab as the AirPods cover. Alright, so we've got the SliceCharge plugged in and powered. First test with the watch in the middle. Right. I think that was a bit off at the start. Does it charge here? No, it doesn't charge here. Not here, it has to be dead in the center. Yep. Now let's try the phone. I've only got one wireless phone, so we got to try it on both sides. It's charging. It's not charging, and the other side, it's charging. I wonder what happens if I put an empty AirPod case on there. Does it light up? Oh, it lights up. I think you can see that small little light coming up. Okay, so all three pads work. I wish I had AirPods or another phone to show you, but it works. And well, I don't really have much to say because it's basically a charger. The really cool feature is that it's wireless and it can support up to 3 devices. One thing to note is that because it's so thin and it's not elevated in any way, so putting a phone down is pretty easy, just don't miss the spot in general. But putting down a watch, why is it not charging? It's a bit slow. And I guess this cable would get in the way as well. But you've got to just take a bit of time to just sit it down properly. I mean, not a deal breaker, but yeah, just something to note. Now, I won't be needing this cable, and I won't be needing my watch charger, which is hidden behind this old Mac desktop. I think it's a great device. It solves the problem of having, you know, all this. Oops. Apple is supposed to come up with something called the Air Power, but that doesn't seem like it's coming out anytime soon. It's always delayed. So I definitely recommend this. It will clear off the clutter on your table a lot. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope that wasn't so boring. I don't really know what to say for this charger. It's a charger, it works, it solves a problem. I definitely recommend it. Right, thanks for watching.